Chandra garu and team Deepthi Chandra garu today వాళ్ళు సెషన్ తీసుకోబోతున్నారు. దే ఆర్ ఎమరల్డ్స్ గోయింగ్ డైమండ్స్. బిజినెస్ లో చాలా పెద్ద లెవెల్స్ అచీవ్ అయిన వ్యక్తులు వీళ్ళు. సో ఆల్రెడీ దే ఆర్ ఎమరల్డ్స్ అండ్ దే ఆర్ వే టు వెరీ మచ్ డైమండ్స్ అనే లెవెల్లో దే ఆర్ ఇన్ ప్రాసెస్. సో అంత పెద్ద లెవెల్లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకు సో టుడే నేను రిక్వెస్ట్ చేశాను, గివ్ మీ ఫ్యూ మినిట్స్ టైమ్ టు దిస్ టీమ్ అండ్ వీ వాంట్ టు లెర్న్ సంథింగ్ and request చేయంగా, and especially this team is very much emotionally attached to this fantastic leaders and they are very much మనకు కూడా హోల్ హార్టెడ్ గా కమిటెడ్ గా ఎమోషనల్ గా మనకు బాండ్ అయ్యి ఈ టీమ్ కు ఎంతో సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఓకే, అండ్ టుడే సెషన్ మాత్రం ఎమెన్స్ లీడర్షిప్ సెషన్ జరుగుతుంది. చాలా చాలా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ జరుగుతుంది. బిజినెస్ ను ఎలా బిల్డ్ చేయాలా, బిజినెస్ ను ఏ విధంగా ముందుకు తీసుకోవాలనే మెకానిక్స్ మాట్లాడబోతున్నారు. సో మీరు దయచేసి వినటం కాదు, వీలైతే నోట్స్ రాసుకోండి.
सर सिग्नल प्रॉब्लम सर, आई थिंक स्टक हो गया.
ओके ओके, खत्म करो फिर तुम टेक ओवर.
ఆడియో బ్రేక్ అవుతుందన్నా చరణ.
అరే లీవ్ ఇట్, రామకృష్ణ విల్ క్లోజ్ ఇట్. फोन में बोल दो. हेलो
So I request
Ramkrishna, you take over Ramkrishna.
యా సో లీడర్స్ సార్ ఇప్పుడు మనకి చాలా వాల్యుబుల్ పాయింట్స్ చెప్పబోతున్నారు. ఓకే, సో విషయం ఏంటంటే ఈ బిజినెస్ ని కన్సిస్టెంట్ గా స్టేబుల్ గా ఎలా మెయింటైన్ చేయాలనేది అనమాట పాయింట్స్. సో మనకి మన ఇంత పెద్ద లీడర్ సంజయ్ సార్ చెప్పడం అనేది చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ అయితే కానీ సార్ రారు, మన రిక్వెస్ట్ చేయబట్టి వచ్చారు. సో అందరూ పెన్ను పేపర్ తో రాసుకోండి. ఒకవేళ తెలుగులో అర్థం కాకపోతే నేను తెలుగులో మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను. సో వెల్కమ్ టు వర్చువల్ స్క్రీన్ సంజయ్ సార్.
Thank you Mr. Ramkrishna.
Thank you sir.
So ये जो today करेंगे सेशन, whether I will do in English or I will do in Hindi.
दोनों मिक्स करके बोलिए सर.
I'm very comfortable. So today's business actually जो Mr. Ramakrishna is telling or Mr. Chadi also told, see, first of all they are telling that very few people are invited for this particular meeting. Very few people. That means आप उस few में है, you are in that few. तो आप वो few क्या है? सिंपल क्राइटेरिया है आज का मीटिंग में जो भी है आप लोग, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट यू पीपल, दैट ऑल पीपल हैव टेकन ए डिसीजन टू बिल्ड दिस एज ए बिजनेस. ఇది సింపుల్ ఆర్డినరీ బిజినెస్ లేవు, ఇది బిజినెస్ ఉంది. బిజినెస్ మీన్స్ చాలా పెద్ద బిజినెస్. యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు హ్యావింగ్ ఏ ఓన్ ఏ మాల్ విత్ నో వాల్. कैन यू इमेजिन? आपका ऐसा मॉल है कि हर चीज वहां मिलता है. ऑल कस्टमर्स नीड्स टू कम, दे विल कम. सी मॉल वाला जाके आपने जाके दूसरा का घर में नहीं भेजता है, इट विल कम. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ मॉल, बिकॉज प्रोडक्ट्स भी जो है वो भी आपका काम नहीं है. दैट प्रोडक्ट्स लाना, वो गो डाउन जो मॉल जिसको बोल रहे हैं ना, जो फिजिकल मॉल है डिफरेंट प्लेसेस में हमारे लिए ऑफिसेज है, उन लोग उसको माल को देगा, कस्टमर तक पहुंचाएगा. सो यू डोंट नीड टू वरी फॉर दैट, नाइदर फॉर प्रोडक्ट नॉट फॉर लॉजिस्टिक नॉट फॉर एनीथिंग, राइट? तो आप किसके लिए आपको पैसा दे रहा? कंपनी पैसा आपको 2 रीजन से दे रहा. प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड 2 रीजन्स, 2 ways లో మనీ వస్తుంది from Amway. What first is a volume. Why they are doing the business? Mainly for the volume. ఎంత వాల్యూమ్ అవుతుంది, ఎంత ప్రాఫిట్ అవుతుంది Amway. So they are trying to push for products and they are going to give the best product with 100% satisfaction guarantee, so that product movement will be very easy for you. Now what for everything they're doing, then what you are doing? आपको पैसा क्यों आ रहा? आपको पैसा इसलिए आ रहा, वॉल्यूम तो मूव कर ही रहे, ऑटोमेटिक कर रहे, लेकिन उसके साथ यू आर मेकिंग ए बिग नेटवर्क जिससे वॉल्यूम मल्टीप्लाई होके कंटिन्यूअस थ्रू आउट देयर लाइफ. Amway is going to get those many contacts, and those contacts, those customers will be served by the distributing servicing distributors, because for their interest, because they are getting 17.5% if they sell any product, so they are working for that. Try to understand. लेकिन हम खाली उसके लिए बिजनेस को नहीं कर रहे, उसमें आपको 5,000 आएगा, 10,000 आएगा, 20,000 आएगा, इन तक मनी वसूली 50,000 आएगा, और कितना आएगा आपको? हम इस बिजनेस को 50,000 में क्लोज नहीं कर रहे. This business is having the limitless capabilities to earn money. Only thing we don't understand properly. From day one, April ने मिलू emerald ले, so you don't understand what is the meaning of emerald. वो क्या है? What for I can also go. वो लाइफस्टाइल हमको भी मिलेगा, तो आपको एमरल्ड का लाइफस्टाइल को सोचना चाहिए. हम अपना लाइफस्टाइल देखा है, सुभाषिस का लाइफस्टाइल हम देखा है. डे वन हाउ ही स्टार्टेड द अपॉर्चुनिटी, क्या था उसके पास? कलकत्ता में एक छोटा सा घर था. ही हैज स्टार्टेड दैट बिजनेस, ही केम बाय ट्रेन. आज टुडे ही इज एन EDC. EDC. Try to understand. EDC का मतलब क्या है? हम एक एक करके पहले हायर से नीचे आ रहे. सोचो कि आपका इस लाइफस्टाइल का गोल है, हमारा इस लाइफस्टाइल का गोल है, because I have seen, I have stayed with him and I reached to certain level when I can tell I am also his friend. दोस्ती तभी होता है जब आप भी एकदम भिखारी नहीं है. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग दोस्ती बैड है, लेकिन आप सब भिखारियों का साथ कर रहे, तो भिखारी को भी भिखारी, आप भी भिखारी बन गए. आपको उस भिखारी को हेल्प करना है. यू आर सपोज टू हेल्प दैट बेगर. यू डोंट नीड टू बिकम बेगर टू मेक देम हैप्पी. हम लोग कभी कभी उस लेवल में चले जाते जब हम अपना कैपेबिलिटीज को नहीं देखते. बिलीव मी, ये लेवल तो बहुत बड़ा बोला, ये लेवल का जरूरत नहीं है. हमारा लेवल में आप आ जाओ, एक एमरल्ड लेवल. अभी एमरल्ड क्या होता है, पहले ये एक एक स्टेज सोचिए. व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग दिस, these people may earn more than 10 lakhs per, I don't know, roughly I'm talking about. ये तो बहुत मिनिमम बोल रहा है आपको. प्लीज बिलीव मी, विश्वास कीजिए. 10 lakhs per month that money is making, and कितना स्टेबल है अभी आप देखते जाओ. एक EDC का मतलब क्या है? एक EDC का मतलब उसके पास सोचो कि क्या होता है. पहले ये 6 आदमी प्लैटिनम. प्लैटिनम का मतलब आपका जब बिजनेस 10 lakhs का होगा, आपका बिजनेस जब 10 lakhs का होगा तब आपको बोला जाता है सिल्वर. आप उसी को अगर मेंटेन करोगे तो आपको बोला जाता है प्लैटिनम. 10 lakhs. आज आप कितना करते हैं? 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 1 लाख, 2 लाख, 4 लाख. आई थिंक उसी में यहां पर क्लोज हो जाएगा. तो हम इस बिजनेस को 4 लाख का टर्नओवर नहीं देंगे. जब ये करेगा तो कितना का टर्नओवर इसका पास होता है? तो एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग EDC का मतलब और भी 3 प्लैटिनम लेग, another 3 platinum, 9 platinum legs means emerald. 9 प्लैटिनम लेग. एक प्लैटिनम का मतलब 10 लाख का बिजनेस मंथली. कितना आदमी होना चाहिए आपका टीम में? फर्स्ट पॉइंट. आप सोचो कि आपका एवरेज आपका टीम से 50 पीबी का बिजनेस होता है. आप लोग का टीम अच्छा है, दे आर डूइंग गुड रिटेलिंग, एंड अभी रिटेलिंग की कैपेसिटी बहुत बढ़ गया. तो कोई 200 करता है, कोई 300 करता है, कोई 0 करता है. ऐसा करके एवरेज हम सोच रहे हैं कि 50 to 70 का अंदर आपको का होता है. सोचो हम 50 भी पकड़ेंगे तो 10 लाख का मतलब 50 मतलब कितना हो रहा है आपका? 50 करीबन. अगर आपका पास टोटल पीपल है, तो आप एक प्लेटिनम 15 पीपल मतलब अच्छा लीडर्स हम दिखाएंगे आपको, तो हो सकता है। मतलब एक सोचो कि 50,000 का बिजनेस अगर आप करोगे मंथली, तो 50,000 का आप तो करते हैं, 50,000 का करते हैं, कोई यहाँ पर करते हैं। कितना का करते हैं आप लोग? 20,000 का करते हैं। एक 100 पीवी का तो सब है यहाँ पर, जितना भी है ऑलमोस्ट ऑल 6% है। दैट मीन्स 600 पीवी, 600 पीवी एंड अबव वाला यहाँ पर है। तो 600 इन 600 पीवी आप क्या मतलब कितना आदमी होना चाहिए? 600 को 50 से डिवाइड करें तो 30 पीपल जो कम से कम आपका टीम में होने से आप जाके प्रॉपर्ली 6% बन सकते हैं। अभी आप चेक करो आपका टीम में इतना आदमी है कि ना। ये तो समझिए आपको टोटल आदमी इतना चाहिए, क्योंकि यूनिट हम 50,000 का पकड़ रहे हैं। दिस इज वेरी क्लियर। अभी आप इसको अगर कितना का बोले थे आपको 10 लाख का बिजनेस करना, तो कितना आदमी आपका टीम में होना चाहिए? अभी आपको क्लियर हो चुका है। जस्ट इमेजिन 6% के लिए आपको कितना हो गया? अराउंड 30 पीपल। तो आपको 21% तक जाना है। तो नंबर्स ऑफ पीपल, व्हाट आई मीन टू से व्हाई, बिकॉज दैट मीन्स 10 लाख का बिजनेस अगर हमको करना है तो हमारा बिजनेस 50 से आप डिवाइड कर 50,000, ओके 10 लाख का है, तो आपको ऑलमोस्ट कितना हो जाएगा? 3, एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग हम लोग का जो देखा है अराउंड 200 टू 3 पीपल अगर आपका टीम में टोटल आता है इस बेसिस पे, 50-50 करके भी अगर करेगा, कोई 100 करेगा, कोई लाइक दैट, तो अप्रोक्सीमेट 200 से 300 का बीच में अगर आपका टीम है, तो दैट इज प्लैटिनम सीप, इज ए स्टेबल प्लैटिनम सीप। आपको चिंता करने का जरूरत नहीं। तो ये है आपका एक्चुअल होना। दैट मीन्स अभी इसको हमको कैसा करके करेंगे। एक चीज आप लोग को फिर दिमाग में नोट कर सकते हैं इसको। एक ईडीसी का मतलब हम कितना बोले? 9 प्लैटिनम। एक डायमंड मतलब हाउ मेनी?
6 प्लैटिनम सर।
फटाफट आना चाहिए आप लोग को। कहां तक आपका ड्रीम है
Yes,
वो
sir.
आपको जानना चाहिए। आप जानते ही नहीं है तो छोटा चीज को, स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट को नहीं जानते कि कहां तक हम जा सकते हैं। फ्रॉम वेयर आई कैन गो, हाउ मच ड्रीम माई ड्रीम शुड बी। बिजनेस को आप जितना बड़ा सोचोगे ना, उतना बड़ा बिजनेस आप खड़ा कर सकते हो। छोटा बिजनेस ना को समझो इसको। डोंट थिंक यू केम हियर फॉर 5 to 10,000 रुपीज अर्निंग। वो बिजनेस को ज्यादा दिन नहीं बिल्ड कर सकता। जो बिजनेस को बड़ा सोचा है वही बिजनेस को रह सकता है। एंड हम लोग सोचा था बोल के हम लोग कम से कम इस एज में भी उस लेवल तक तो आ चुका है कि जब हमारा लाइफ में जो बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट है उसके लिए हमको जिंदगी में सोचने का जरूरत नहीं। इतना तक तो किए, कितना कंट्रीज घूमे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ दिस बिजनेस। लेकिन सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज क्या चीज होता है आपको? एमआरएल के लिए 3 प्लेटिनम। ये है आपका स्ट्रक्चर। तो अभी सबसे पहले क्या होना चाहिए? एक बड़ा घर आपको दिखा रहे, बड़ा ड्रीम दिखा रहे, बट आपको अभी एक जमीन दिए है। व्हाट यू शुड डू फर्स्ट, आपका सपना जितना है। हम जब घर को बनाए थे, इस घर को बनाए थे, हमारा सपना छोटा था। एक घर हो जाएगा 2 बेडरूम से मैक्सिमम 3 बेडरूम, ऊपर कुछ बनाएंगे वो तो सोचा भी नहीं था। When I started, फॉर्चुनेटली कार हम लोग ऑफिस में मिलता है बोल के आई हैव केप्ट ए स्मॉल पार्किंग प्लेस। गॉड ग्रेस में जगह थोड़ा ज्यादा था, ओके। लेकिन जब हम घर बना रहे थे, माई आर्किटेक्ट और सिविल इंजीनियर हमारा दिमाग खराब कर दे रहा था। वो इतना डीप जा रहा था नीचे नीचे। यू नो व्हाई इतना नीचे वो क्यों जा रहा था?
बहुत स्ट्रांग होता है ना सर बिल्डिंग।
फाउंडेशन को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर रहा था, और कुछ भी नहीं है। आप कितना विजुलाइज कर सकते हो, पहले आपका फाउंडेशन को तैयार करो। आज उसको किए थे बोल के अभी हमारा सपना 2nd स्टोरी हो गया, 3rd स्टोरी हो गया। अभी हो सकता है हमारे बच्चे लोग अनदर 1 or 2 स्टोरी कर सकता है, बिकॉज द फाउंडेशन इज देयर। लेकिन अगर हम बाद में इसको सोचते हैं तो कुछ भी नहीं होता, घर गिर जाता है। हमारा बिजनेस एग्जैक्टली सेम दैट। आपका फाउंडेशन वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड दैट इज अ स्ट्रक्चरल बेस, वॉल्यूम प्लस स्ट्रक्चर, इसमें आपको पैसा आता है, खाली वॉल्यूम से नहीं आता है। आप अपने आप को वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर। से यू आर हियर, आप अभी डायरेक्टली जितना आदमी को स्पॉन्सर कर रहे हैं, से ए बी सी डी लाइक दैट, देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल, से धनराज टीम में 10-12 आदमी है, आई डोंट नो, सो हम थोड़ा से लिखे नाउ, ये सब जो है जिसको आप डायरेक्टली स्पॉन्सर किए, they will be your front line, or they will be your legs, or they will be telling you width, whatever you want, say meaning. But thing is that how much wide you are, आपका business उतना profitable होगा. Say you are having 100 people, everybody is doing a business of 100 people. మీకు 10,000 అవుతుంది, but all the 100 people may be earning few hundreds rupees because nobody is in a P level. They're doing only 100 people their personal use. So no earning. How many days the people who are not earning, they will be there for your business? Just think over. Lot of money will come because 100 people, when nobody is taking interest, you are getting total 21%. Heavy money, lot of money is there because big volume you are done and nobody is there to take your share profit. So you will be earning 4 lakhs plus, not 4 lakhs, say around 3 lakhs plus you will be earning. You can calculate it. Just imagine so much money, but that is not at all secured because next month what happened you don't know because total may be smash. Peace of mind leave. Business pedda avutundi, but peace of mind leave. Turnover chala avutundi, income ustundi, but peace is not there. Absolutely AO benefit leave because peace is not there, because security is not there. Because meeku time kavali, meeku money kavali, meeku security kavali. Aa kosam business we have taken, right? So मूरू things तभी आ सकता है when you are having sufficient width and depth. Who are there? Below you, this man, below this man, below this man, they are all your depth. Understood? Width, depth. Like that, all the legs you are having. Depth. What happened? Say, for example, this gentleman is doing a business of 7,000, right? This man is doing a business of, say, 4,000. So this man is doing a business of, say, 3,000 or 4,000. Maybe something happening here in 6%. Like this, you are having a structure. You have created a structure. What happened? Here you are getting 7,000, he is at 18%. So how much you will get from this leg? This is your leg. From how much you will get?
3%.
1 minus 18.
3%.
Yeah. So it is 3% ikara, he is a 15%. So ikara 6% avutundi. Ikara inta 4,000. Same thing he will come. 6%. So here 6%. So 6%, I mean 21%. So 15% from that leg you will get. But 15% of 600 PV is very small.
Small amount.
So it appears that the big difference is coming, but money is low. Money depth low only because 18%. 18% means 7,000 PV. Adi 7,000 PV lo meeku dabbu vastundi enta 3%. So me aim depth lo strong avutundi, width also strong. Say ikara nobody is there, all these legs are not there. He is only at 10,000 PV and you don't have anybody. All people are doing 100 PV, 50 PV like that. So you may be having 500 PV other than this man. So he is a platinum, he is at 21%. You will not get anything from him. because you will be getting from your 500 PV, from your 500 PV or 600 PV, whatever is there, from there you will get 21%. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
What I'm telling, after this session, my main aim, after this session, sometimes you do for your PACE meeting, Parsuram will do for PACE meeting, or Chari will do. Whatever is there, they can, this thing, your PC, people should understand, people join the business, but only with few people. The people who are building the business, maybe you have a criteria of 6% on all. Some criteria karke hum log karenge, but people should know what is the big business here. Then people, business will, they will take, they will have the bigger dream. Adi kavali, dream kavali. Ikkada dream inta hotundi, inta dabbu undi business to, inta better way of business housing. See, like this type of structure, you should have one leg. No, that means only depth. No, width and depth. Width and depth, balance chahiye. Is it clear? Width and depth. So first me pani in the, now that day somebody, I was doing the same meeting to some other group of people. So they told, sir, you just tell me how fast I should go, because idi pain, idi 3%, 6%, adi jo level undi na, me level, what I'm telling you. Actually, you are the fighter, because I have gone through your stage, all the stages already I have completed. So I know what is the pain here. So here, this is the uphill you are going actually. Success is uphill. And you are starting from here and you have to go to your destination. Here your life is there, what I'm talking EDC or beyond. So if you are seeing this, the big thing, then small places, small pilgrimage you also visiting. And then you are reaching here. So you're not losing on the way, you are enjoying. मेरे पानी चेस्ते चेस्ते एंजॉय चेतो नहीं एवरी स्टेज अभी प्लैटिनम में हमको एंजॉय नहीं किया था बहुत एंजॉय किया फॉरेन ट्रिप घूम के आया 1 लाख पैसा मंथली आ रहा था नॉट ए मैटर ऑफ जोक प्लैटिनम होगा बहुत एंजॉय किया सो अब फॉरगेट अबाउट दैट बॉट 40,000 आपका जब अर्निंग स्टार्ट हो जाएगा ना तो आपका एक लाइफ में एक बहुत बड़ा चेंज आएगा 40,000 which is 15%. At least first have a small target of 50%, but have the bigger goal that you can reach to much bigger level. So starting low, meeku pani chala undi. Whether you want to go here and close your shop at B point, both are hard work. That means you're completing your hard task. Something you move, but you're going back. No, move ahead, move ahead. Everywhere. And when you reach to this place, no, this is not exactly a destination. This is, say, your platinum seat. Not even platinum, even from the bronze level, proper bronze, if you go, you are in that position, and then the downfall start. So I will write here as a bronze, not for, because now 4 plus low, bronze low, almost silver out income out in the bronze level low, people are earning 40, 50, 60,000. If you are having a good wide and depth structure, adi me balance cheste starting say agar balance you are doing, no, you will get that structure, and even in the bronze level you can earn 60,000, 70,000 rupees. Some people are earning some, but majority of the people they are getting around 30, 40,000 because their structure is not that good. Maybe one leg is very strong and maybe he is working with the 2 legs, 1 or 2 legs, maximum 3 legs. No, you should have at least 6 legs working. Starting low, you will not get. Don't be scared. This is your big level to reach. हम लोग यहाँ पर अभी वो बहुत difficult है. अभी हमारा टीम को नहीं सिखाएंगे. नहीं, this is सबको नहीं. लेकिन चुन के जैसा आप आज चुन के people को लाए हैं. Like that, चुन के people को सिखाना. आपका टीम में कम से कम 10 बंदा का ऐसा बड़ा टीम होना चाहिए. Big team. तब सबको बोलो पता नहीं who is going to take up this challenge. This is a mission. So ये करना है. तो आप इस लेवल से आप जब यहाँ पर जाओगे ना फिर एमरल्ड होगा डाउनफॉल में आपका एमरल्ड होगा. अभी लाइफ इज मच स्मूथ है बिकॉज खाली एमरल्ड नहीं है स्ट्रक्चर अच्छा है. So I'm very smooth, peaceful at night, at month end, month hour. end hours, whatever it may be, nothing. Previously in month end, I used to pluck my hair. वो है आपका हार्ड प्लेस, वो हार्ड प्लेस को क्रॉस करो कितना जल्दी, इतना फास्ट का डिफिकल्ट प्लेस फर्स्ट करना है, देन आराम से एंजॉय करो लाइफ को, फॉरेन ट्रिप घूमो, पैसा कमाओ, एक एक लीडर ग्रो करेगा तो यू विल बी मोर हैप्पी बिकॉज मोर सिक्योर यू आर बिकमिंग। आप उसको सेलिब्रेट करो, यही तो काम है हम लोग का। टीम मीटिंग करते, सेलिब्रेट करते, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स आई कम टू योर प्लेस एंड सेल ए प्रोडक्ट, because all are capable. Learning facility is there, digital facility there, you can learn anything and everything, but you should have a desire, you should have a dream. Why should I learn? Why should I spend my time? Because of that bigger thing, not for 10,000 rupees, not for quitting job. Big things, life. A life, if you try to see that, try to see from the emerald level or diamond level or at least founder platinum level. First, keep a small target of founder emerald level. Again, you should know the lifestyle. Listen the series. Know the lifestyle of a founder platinum. Try to meet some founder platinum. Come sometime to our house. You are always welcome. But have the dream. What I have done. हम सुभाषिस के घर जाते थे, वहाँ खाना खाते थे, सब कुछ करते थे. Small level में, I'm talking about. When I was just a platinum or below, उस टाइम में हम जाते थे. So you should have that dream. आप किसी को देखो, imagine, आपसे सीखने का जरूरत नहीं, वही सीख जाओगे आप. These are the things of learning. Believe. ఇంత మనీ అవుతుంది. సో ఎప్పుడు మీకు క్లియర్ ఉంది నా? సో ఫస్ట్ గోల్ లాస్ట్ అవుతుంది, లాస్ట్ పాయింట్, ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్. సో అది టోటల్ క్లైమాక్స్. బట్ వాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు డూ నౌ? డ్రీమ్ బిగ్, బట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రెసెంట్ థింగ్ నౌ? I cannot think of having 100 people, so many people in the depth, so many people are there, I don't know the names. So जो आपको हम इतना दिन के बाद, after 6% I'm trying to get introduce myself. You are such a leader, big leader. पहले आपके जैसा आदमी के लिए हम भागते देखे ले, कहाँ जाते थे, स्कूटर में जाते थे. आपका ऐसा आदमी मिलना, because to be very frank, who has taken a decision like this in the business, they are the right person from this nation. ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఉంది, చాలా బిగ్ మిషన్ ఉంది. ఖాళీ మనీ లేవు, మీకు సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ వస్తుంది తర్వాత. సో డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్, వాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు డూ ఫర్ దట్? స్టార్ట్ విత్ వెరీ సింపుల్ థింగ్స్. 101. Every month you are doing inconsistently for at least 12 months or 1 year. Average. Now a person like Ramkrishna and all, they want to move faster. Very good. In 1 month, you do this job of getting 12 people. First, our aim from upline. First, you take the support of 100% upline, make few widths, and at least one depth. Few width, 3-4 width, and one depth where you are working. And you just copy your upline. Just I'm telling you, please try to understand. Copy your upline in an initial stage. In that process, your upline will grow your one leg. Okay. It is the responsibility of your upline also. But what is your responsibility? Learn from here. When your upline is doing the things, learn from here. And then you create your own width and depth. And take all the support from this team, because this team is going to be bigger, your team only, and your upline. All will help here. But he is concentrating here. This is how width and depth game is there. So what is our job? First, that at least by 6 months, you try to get 6 people in your width. Now don't say I don't have man. Create list. Adi business. Man nahi hai to baitho, jab tak man aayega, wait for that time and then you business. Then maybe it will not fast, but you will move. Still you will move. But keep a small target. Until you keep a target, meeku target kavali. Meeku goal chala important undi. E goal, monthly goal, meeku just very small target of 100 PV business with customers and few customers, let's say 100 people customer. Sorry. I'm talking about hundreds and thousands. So it should be like that for you also after some time. It is say 10 customers are there. 10 customers means comfortably you will be getting 100 pay business because 10 customers is kavali because everybody may not buy in the same month. So at the first goal, maybe you take 1 month or maybe you take 2 months or maybe you take 3 months. As fast as possible, you try your level best. Take the help of your upline, how to invite, learn how to invite, how to make a list. I am not getting the list. Discuss with your upline. Upline will not ask you because this is the first thing you should do, making your list and then share with your upline. First up, you don't have any job to learn, whatever I said, only this work. And in that process, your goal should be a month low, 100 PV Kavali, one joining. So for example, you have already shown 5-6 people, but nobody has joined. So you keep on increasing till you get that one. Adimi goal, intalo manustundi idea lev. Nobody can tell, nobody can predict. For you, maybe within 1 person, you will get 1 person. For somebody, it may be 10%, and then you will get. Maybe 9 people will say no, but 10 people will say yes. So you have to wait till you get that one yes. 100 PV and 1 yes. Idi miracle avutundi. 1 year cheste, mi team lo inta slogan cheste. I can tell you, your team after 1 year, it will do a havoc because you will get 12 people. Out of 12 people, you will get at least 4 good guys. And you are copying, your team is growing, then here they will go, then this team and this team is growing, then with all the help, this team will grow. Like that, if you have, say, 4 teams are growing parallelly, because you are already having a system. One team will grow very fast. One team will be maybe much deeper, say 10 deeper, but second team may be 7 deeper. Deeper means depth. 7 people are there at the below. And maybe third people will be 4 deep. Fourth people may be having 2 deep. Adi structure kavali. First leg always may be giving 40-50% business of your entire business. But from other, you should have at least 50% business. Say 200, say 300 PV you are doing from 1 leg, but at least 300 PV you should do from different legs. Different legs. Again, not 1 leg again, at least 3-4 legs. Money avutundi, structure boundi. Dhire dhire your structure is improving because these people will they get activated when their depth is coming and you are working with them and he is also involved. See, he is working. Maybe this man is not right person. Say, here this man is not right person. You try to work, but he is not giving list. So you have to search somebody below him. If he may be right, and then work. Again, you go depth. Means your depth, you should continue. Every leg, 1 depth you have to drive. And your upline will drive 1 leg. So follow that upline teaching and build a business in this structure. After few months, 4 legs you will definitely get of at least 600 PV, 6%. Adi be first target. 3% kavali, 6% aim chahi, 4 people in your team, 4%, 6% and above. Just plan chahi. कोई 6% होगा, high 6% होगा, कोई थोड़ा 6% होगा, कोई exact 6% होगा, कोई 3% होगा, लेकिन 4 legs लोग nearing 6% people are there. People are like this. जैसा अभी है ऐसा people you are searching. See those 20 people like that. If team lo already undi, if they do this same thing, just you see how many teams are coming up from here. All 20 people, if they sponsor 12 people, so how many? 240 people. Imagine team lo. So please try to do that. Platinum SIP is a very minimum goal you should keep where your earning is more than ₹1,00,000. But in between is bronze. Adi right structure, not even BFI. Bronze is the right structure. Because ikala dabbu undi, 40,000 dabbu undi, structure tayar height undi. Because 1 leg may be 9%. 1 leg may be very high 6%, another leg may be 6%. So akara all the 3 to 4 legs are strong out there. Actually Amway is asking for 3 legs 6% and your total volume should be 4,000. But your structure, your stability required minimum 1 stepney, 1/4 leg. As per rule 3 is sufficient. Minimum नहीं जाना है. अभी 100 पी बोला ना, 100 पी हमको बोल दिया, उससे ज्यादा तो नहीं करेंगे. ऐसा नहीं. 100 पी always should have a maximum mentality. Don't limit yourself. You are limitless. Think that you have to move fast to diamond level, to emerald level, to diamond level, whatever you can visualize. First, you should get associated with them. So never miss meeting, never think language low, language low, problem low. I build the business in Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, Kakinada, Chennai. How I have built the business, Bangalore. Business is like that. What Ramkrishna just now telling, somebody is from Chennai, somebody is from Pune. I have also one person is Indore, and he was basically from Pune. So many business, your business also can have the same thing. Like my business is already there. Now I'm seeing Ramkrishna, I'm seeing Parsuram, I'm seeing Chari. All these people are also spreading here and there. Because it digital facility undi. It is chala blessings. Chala blessing. Just be expertise. Leadership meeting lo always try to switch on your video because you are attentive. Because I know, for example, some person is here, I'm seeing. So many people are there. So serious, I can see their eyes that they are following what I'm telling. But if some videos are totally off, I cannot understand. Because body, actually physical meeting chala important. When I used to do in Chari's home or Parsuram home, sometimes Ramkrishna's home, pace meeting, chai and other things. Oh, that relationship, that vibration will not go. But there is also limitation. I cannot meet people like Kakinada and all. Ippudu our facility undi. So our facility जब है तो वैसा करो ना. Generally हम लोग video क्यों off करते हैं? There are few reasons. Maybe I am not in a good shape, और अभी तो good shape में कोई problem ही नहीं है. ऊपर में एक कुछ अच्छा पहन लो. That's it. और कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. And Ramkrishna जैसे expert है, वो आपका lighting, all the things he will explain you. Learn from him. तो कैसा पूछो उसको always. Always you ask. Ramkrishna ठीक हो रहा ना, बस हमारा video ठीक है. All the things sound okay. Because you ultimately it is your business. You should have that kind of team meeting. Everything you have to organize. जैसा अभी आप लोग कर रहे हो, you are already doing that. So that type of self-image you have to create. Don't think for small thing. Okay, Wi-Fi low 350 or something like that. How does it matter here? This is a business. Previously, how much you used to spend to go to somebody's house? How much time you used to give? Everything you are getting digitally, and that to distance places. For example, जो चेन्नई में है, पुणे में, I cannot go and talk to them without digital platform. So I have to go. One person, difficult to verify. Logistic difficult. Time constraint. Ye puro blessings undi. And you are very fortunate that Chari's entire team, like Parsuram, Ramkrishna, digitally they are very competent. Use social marketing, use all that, learn everything from your upline. You got a very free mentor of unbelievable. You people. सब कुछ आपको भगवान दिया, opportunity they are given. They have given the right age what you are having now, and they are having the real system. They are having the real mentor जो आपको सिखा रहा daily. हम सीखते हैं रामकृष्ण के पास, हम सीखते हैं परशुराम के पास. क्या problem है? You can learn everything in this business. It is complementary. There is no competition. I always be maximum happy if any one of you should come as a platinum and go to the foreign countries. I am the happiest person. Maybe direct benefit lew, but depth lo strong uste ma business e leg lo strong avutundi. So all upline are seeing that. So everybody is looking towards you. Do it. This is the opportunity. Don't miss for a second. start seriously, plan whatever I said, 100 plus 1, 100 plus 1, 101. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. So close करेंगे?
या करेंगे सर, बहुत अच्छा समझ में आया सर. मैं टीम को भी ये इंफॉर्मेशन और एक बार पास करता है सर अभी.
देखो कोई स्लाइड नहीं बना है, इजी है.
या इजी में मैं हमारा डैशबोर्ड में कैलकुलेटर रहता है ना सर, पीवी कैलकुलेटर. या वो पीवी कैलकुलेटर से मैं दिखाया सर. स्ट्रक्चर अच्छा नहीं तो कितना इनकम कम होता है, स्ट्रक्चर अच्छा है तो कितना होता है, वो लाइवली दिखाया.
तुम लोग डिजिटली एक्सपर्ट है.
या लाइवली दिखाया.
लेकिन हम लोग का जैसा लोग ना ये सब में भी काम चला सकता है.
यस सर.
Business should be duplicatable.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
So always maybe
Thank you, sir.
why I have done this, I can make a slide of this, no? But
Yes,
why
sir.
I made this? Two
Sir.
reasons. One, I can talk from my heart. जब
Yes,
जो
sir.
जरूरत चीज को काट के हम इमीडिएटली देख सकते हैं,
Yeah.
वो स्लाइड में नहीं होता है, वो फिक्स्ड हो गया. आपका थॉट
Sir.
फिक्स्ड हो गया. ये हमारा
sir.
थॉट जैसा इन लोग का आंख देख रहे, आपका आंख देख रहे, वैसा हमारा थॉट में चेंजेस आ रहा है.
Yes sir.
हम ये संतोष का इन लोग का कुछ देख रहे थे फोटो, वो देख के हमको और एक्साइटमेंट आया. अगर आपको
Yeah.
देख के हमको कितना बिलीव होता है.
Yes
सो
sir.
इसलिए बोर्ड इज रियली समटाइम गुड एंड मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. कोई भी आदमी कभी भी कर सकता है. दे कैन डू इवन इन द paper. See what we used to do. Always digital may not be perfect, but okay, this type of things digital, this is okay, fine. मतलब कभी-कभी हम लोग ऐसा भी करने से अच्छा ही होता. That is today I experimented. आप ही बोलो ठीक हुआ कि नहीं हुआ?
या ठीक है सर, अच्छा है. या आपका घर के आया तो कैसे प्लान सर?
हाँ, exactly. Depending on the person, tailor made कर सकते हो आप.
Yes sir.
Okay then, काफी टाइम हो गया. Good night.
Good night sir. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, Chari.
Right, sir. Thank you for your time, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you so much sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.